Well, good morning, everybody. Let's take a look on first on a daily chart, see where we are. We're still hitting higher highs. Again, EMA 8. It's above the yellow upper zone. So we'll just follow what market says. Alright, please read risk disclosure disclaimer if required. Commodity futures trading commission, future stocks and option trading have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of risk and that you may lose all your money. Don't trade the money you cannot. Alright, there's also risk disclosure disclaimer under the video, so please read. Okay. We have settings 39 1.7, it's EMA upper, and 39 minus 1.7 EMA. Bottom one, this is 539 regular, a linear regression. It's a high and low, and we have 159 linear regression, which is low. Okay, we have different type of bars today. They're set at 6 and 3, 6 turning, and 2, 6 and 2. They're also very similar to Unirenko, 6 and 2, brick size 6, trend it's 2. We have 2 more minutes before the start of the trading session, regular. Okay, here we go. You guys on YouTube, you are like a few seconds behind me, so it's not exactly real time, just a few seconds. So you cannot take these trades that I'm showing, because market cap is going to be somewhere else by the time you see this. But you can see how this system works. That's the whole point of this signal room. We'll give it a couple of minutes to go, unless we develop some signal that's worth taking. So our signals, either we're gonna take this signal or we're gonna take a first green. We'll see how what market tells us, what price action says. We are going with a smaller set of the bars for now. If we need to change to big ones, we'll go to big ones.
Order filled.
Okay, we're on first one, stop is here. We'll go here.
Order submitted.
Now let's go, that's our first one tick under. Now if we close up there, we're gonna, well, we'll go to here. Okay, we're gonna close. Just because I didn't like this over here, but we are in the profit. Oops, I better change to NQ. I don't know, for some reason MNQ was there, but it's the same stuff, same chart. I didn't like this over here, what was happening, but it formed nice base. That's why I went out here. Let close the trade, which is fine. As long as we make profit, it's fine. We got saved by one tick. So we got one trade. It's a positive trade, and we got 5 ticks. Yesterday was crazy day. We were down like 80 some ticks, 88. Some trades unlucky. We got taken out where market exactly turned around. Some trades we got saved by very much by the belt by 2 ticks. But after all, we finished still plus 35 ticks with 2 crazy trade at the end. with 10 contracts and everything worked out great. Could have turned either way, and we end up with plus 35 ticks. So for now we are 7 days in a row we are positive. Last 2 days we are plus 44. So let's see what's gonna bring us today. We'll go here.
Order filled.
That was short, a little late, but right there. Close.
Order filled.
Okay. We got a quick quick scalp. I was a little bit late with the trade. Didn't go in front of the market, but still market turned, and that's where we went. But we never were in danger. Even if we went in here, there were 6 ticks, 7 ticks went against us and then turned around. So 2 trades. There are 2 positive trades, and we got this one 11. So we are so far, we are 16 ticks up. Let's go in front of the market.
Order submitted.
We'll put over here to buy. Looks like nice support. Though we have now lower highs. If this one closes down, we're gonna get out with this trade, because it's gonna be low, lower high again. We are out.
Order canceled.
So we have a lower, double top, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now this is broken. Both of them, all 3 are broken now. Will be nice pullback and then a green bar to go long. I'm gonna avoid this one. I was late into the trade, so. Okay, market is making now red over here, and it's keeping its presence in a pullback zone. So this is maybe turning point. Again, lower high. Maybe market's gonna go down. We're not gonna look for a long right now. can see it's bouncing from the upper line in pullback zone. Going nowhere. Okay, made another high. What did I do overnight? Oh, but since opening yesterday, just a little pullback and then just up, up, up. That was opening. We'll make a here trade.
Order submitted.
If you can get we're still long. Again, don't like this. But we have a big support over here. But this only bad thing about this trade, this would be lower low. Already made a low, double top here. We'll avoid this trade.
Order canceled.
Again, we'll wait for the trade to come to us. Don't wanna push. We had two signals. First time line comes across, pull back under, few ticks, but never developed here. We went with the greens. We did a trade with the greens, and there you go. That's why I didn't like it. Now we'll go short.
Order submitted.
Let's go in front of the market. Only thing, we are in a green zone still, but everything else is saying we are short. We'll just follow the market when market does. I don't like this big pullback, never should have gone here. This as well can just shoot up. Where is that day going? There's a support here, right here, right here, and based on this, the top, this one. Okay, no need for
Order
this one
canceled.
now. There should be a reaction somewhere here. They didn't touch yet. They'll do sometimes, they'll pull back all the way there and then come back and touch it. Plus there is now a huge distance between the price and upper zone, 539. For us to go red, the price needs to come above and then red show up. We don't want it in the middle of the line. This could be just setting again for to going long. Like this here. Okay, we're not taking the trade because it's just too far from upper zone. But if we develop a red one, we'll just go straight into the market sale.
Order
Okay.
filled.
We're down.
Order submitted.
We'll go here. Raise couple of ticks. Just because of this higher
Order
lows.
filled. Order
Oops, that
filled.
was wrong one, but that's alright. That was wrong set there. We got three for so far, and there's what I was seeing here. That's why I went out. So we are so far plus 27. So we got in this one 11 ticks. So with this bar, when we go green or red, we'll just go for a scalp. Just a few ticks, 6, 7, 8, 10 ticks, 12. That's all. Unless we see the market just going so crazy, we let it lure, let it run. So we are in the trading session, 18 minutes. We had 3 trades, all 3 positive. And we are plus 27 ticks. You guys on YouTube, you're behind me, so this is, you cannot take these trades, these signals, because of you're behind me in time, like a few seconds, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 seconds. Sometimes just 3, 4, I can see on the pictures. So this is just to show what the system can do. Okay, so that's why I said, you see they didn't never touched it, this upper red zone, they pull back and then they are here, still going down. How far? They're touching this zone. Okay, corresponds to this. Then I go to here, or even here, or the bottom of this zone here. So we'll see. But keep in mind we are very far from this upper pullback channel. It's 539. So now either they're gonna run down big time and this is gonna bring all together and meet somewhere down, or they're gonna make a pullback here. But for now we are having all red. We're down, all red bars, they're touching this one. Don't want to chase the market. That's right, wherever they go, oh I could have, should have, that we don't, doesn't work that way because of this here. And you see there was a reaction here, and the ones they broke, they went down. And we don't want to sell it here, it's a long way up here to prove us wrong. So we'll just patiently wait for our trade. It's right, they're doing this. We're not gonna chase them. If you want to get trends like this, then we'll go with signal. These are better signals with 15 tick stop. Downward shows up red, then you need more, maybe 20 ticks, 25 tick stop. That's why I'm using red just for the scalp. If I would go with this first trade. We are not taking trade over here. Expecting pullback. Or are they continue down? We'll see, but we're just too far. If we went with this trade, we'll just take a 5-6 ticks trade. Just a scalp. Again, you can see now they're in the zone with the price again. They're over this 159. This may be just a pullback before they continue down. Or they're making bottom here, trying to make a little long. Let's see, in properties, can this be points? Still staying same. Markets are still down. Now you can see when they go far how they pull back. That's what I'm looking for. But they're still going short. And then we're not gonna make trade like we did yesterday, trying to pick up the bottom, pick the bottom. Sometimes they can be good trades, but a lot of times it went against us. Now, if market will bounce from here, go up, comes back, touches this line and bounces again, then yeah, we'll go long. But for now, not. And this line is showing down, then we just continue. Lower low. $159 trying to hook up. There you go long. If it comes down here, couple of ticks under, we'll go long. Or we're gonna go short an upper line of the zone. If they just go straight up. Would be nice for them to go straight up and we just go short over here. Or long over here. Go and sell.
Order submitted.
Right here for now. Sometimes they'll just go through, like if markets are very strong. But a lot of times they'll just bounce. This will be first touch with this meeting with this upper zone. Okay. Unfortunate for us. Went against us. So we are still 3-1. We lost 15 ticks. So we are now on 12 ticks. A lot of times these trades are absolutely great. They run all the way down. We're talking about 80 ticks. That was a good try because of bottom of the green zone, plus this upper line that we're meeting here. I would take that trade anytime. A lot of times that's a 80 tick run and more. Now if market pulls down to light blue and this magenta color in that zone where they're meeting, we will go long. That's a big support right here. They didn't make any resistance over here, just went through. Big support zone here. See, a lot of times it respects. This is 40 tick run. That's why I like these zones. Here's again. There's right there. This was bottom one. See over here. There's a auction and they went through. There's another one. You can see here. And so on. Want them to come here. Though white line would go through, but we still want to go. I'll make this white line a little bit bigger. Let's make it 4. Okay, we are buying here.
Order
Oh,
filled.
I'm a little bit late. Playing around, but that's alright. We're still 15 ticks here. If it does, take us out. We'll go again if it comes down to the bottom.
Stop filled.
Alright, we're down. Okay,
Order filled.
we'll go again. So that was 3 to 2. That's what happens, and it looks like this one's gonna take us out.
Stop filled.
Okay, 3-3. Alright, we were just 1250 up, now we're that much down. They didn't respect this zone at all. Let's wait for pullback, then we'll go short. I will go short here. Okay, this could be just to change the trend. You see big run here, big here, and then they'll make, if they make a higher high, higher low I mean, this could be just the market is making the bottom. Again, they're rechecking this area. And they may go long from here, so.
Order canceled.
For now, nothing. We'll go short here. With the smaller size of bars, we have more signals, but we get more trades, more up and down than with bigger setting of the bars. I'll just go on the market if it just go to upper one. Red one shows we are going.
Order
I'll lay it
failed.
again, so that's why I got to go in front of the market. Just because of those jumps.
Order submitted.
Go for a couple of ticks up.
Order
Okay.
canceled.
Great, this is 4-3 for us. No trade over here. As you can see, we're developing a lot of green here. Okay, if they come back, they pull back, will go long. Because now we're having support zone here, and it will be plus first pullback. So this is what I'm saying, that they went lower, but these big ones usually that mean that big moves. So if you go with the smaller settings on bars, more trades. If you go with the bigger settings, it's less trades. But when you hit the profit, you hit profit few times. But still 15 tick stop. Okay, we'll go over here. We'll buy.
Order submitted.
Now they may come back again and try to hit over here. We'll just
Order filled.
okay, we'll move a little bit bigger stop because of this. Okay, for a tick we are more. We'll exit here.
Order submitted.
So we don't know still if it's what's going on. The light, the red is here. Or we'll it's a green one. We still have a chance. Okay, we still have a chance. Alright, we're out. And there we go. Nice profit. And there's what I'm saying, trying to run up. That's 5 to 3. You're now 13 ticks in profit. And it's 4 to 3 for us, for us 3 for Nasdaq. As you can see now, there's a big support over here with that magenta zone, 539. Went over here through it, just a little resistance, went through it, came back, and that was now support. A few bars before that was 20 bars or so was resistance, and then became just a support. Okay, so we're looking for long trade again. Want them to pull back. If they go under with the price, we'll go long. Or if they just develop, touch the bottom yellow line with the pullback zone, if they just touch it, turn around, that should be red bar, then turn around, becomes green, we'll go with green. Got to go in front of the market all the time. Alright, let's buy over here.
Order submitted.
But you will be only gonna go with green if they touch the line, bottom line, and then turn around, then we'll just go buy market. Otherwise we're waiting for them to come and touch this one.
Order
Okay,
filled.
there we are. The stop should be really here. Let's do that. We'll come out here,
Order submitted.
see if we can get that one. Or if you wanna risk this much, let's go to green because they never touched it. Let's go with that. They never touched this upper green. Move a couple of ticks. Just in case. close, we're gonna, if they close down, first bar closes down, we're closing trade. We got a trouble there. No mercy. That's why you guys have a license for that. We'll just put it here. In case it closes, so we don't have to worry.
Order
Okay, there we
canceled.
go. We are back exactly where we were. That's another good trade. 6 to 3. We were back where we were. There you go. For a tick we were taking out here. As I said, if you go with the greens, I don't expect that much, but just because I didn't see this, I didn't see them touching this upper lower green zone part. That's why I said let's go here, have a bigger stop. But this as well could have just become a lower high, so that's why I said let's go in here, come out. Doesn't matter, profit is profit. So we are plus 27. So we were plus 27, then we lost that. And there were some, we have minus 27. We gained that back and plus 27 again. Says over here 112.50, 250. My first trade was on MNQ. I didn't see it, which is very important. You got to watch your chart. And we made 5 ticks, so that's why it's 250 there. Okay, if they touch here and then becomes green, we'll just go on the green. We're gonna go long. But they need to touch this line. We don't wanna in the middle of the, even though it's bouncing from here. Don't like it. We want them to touch here. And then becomes green. We'll go market. Alright, that touching, when it becomes green, we'll go long. Oh, that was too quick for us, you see. Alright, I'll come back. They come back down here, we'll just buy again. Or if they close it down, we'll just pretend we'll get in and be like here. Still didn't touch green. They have a lot of power
Order
here.
filled.
Let's go here. Let's try
Order
to make
submitted.
that one. Stop is here. If they break now, they're gonna have much more. That's gonna be a big run. Okay. Looks like they're having trouble here. Let's close it.
Order filled.
That's right. Let them run without us. That's 9 to 3. if I'm counting this is plus 38. If I'm counting correctly. Like I said, no mercy. You see some resistance, you get out with profit. There's another good trade. If you're looking just for the bottoms like this, where it's touching and you see doing this, you may just add the contract. You may try that tomorrow and just start adding contracts. And looking for rounds like this. If it touches and goes green, we'll go, but not now. In that case, we'll prep.
Order submitted.
Wow, that's going down, you see?
Order canceled.
Wow, 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 something happened. That's what I'm saying, you just take a profit, you never know. Expectation is one thing and real stuff is another one. Markets are, according to indicators, still long. We have 159 over 539, meaning long, but now that's becoming resistance. That's why I didn't want to make this one over here, touching the bottom line and go long, just because we have already 1, 2, 3 these signals. We crossed. Didn't want to take fourth one there. Every time they come back and touch the line, it's just a weaker and weaker signal. So that's a one good avoided trade. Alright, this could be short, the markets are still long, so I'm not gonna even touch it, plus we are in a black zone over here that's a sideways, and exactly look at what's doing. Look at what's doing, exactly it's going sideways. So there you go. And only love when we are right over here, taking profit, not taking this one, not taking this one. That's a 3 good calls in a row. Just got to develop the patience. Look at what's happening now. Market is making the support in this zone here. It would be nice for them to pull back and then go. And you can see where is the low comparing to this one. It's about 85% move bottom and then down, and then comparing to this move, then going long. And they're doing everything to go all the way to the upper part of the green zone. See the resistance over here? That's lower high. They could make over here higher low. If they go with the price, we just go market. If they go down, they need to go and break down. This is first pullback, but I wanted to see them 1 or 2 bars under the yellow line. I don't like to see this. This could be just a little bit up there, pull back again, and then before they take off. That's what usually they do on pullbacks like this. So I don't like we didn't develop at least 1 bar under red bar under this yellow line. Just like this here, or this one here. Let them go if they want. Now this could become top over here, return, make over here. Now this would be, as you can see what's happening, this could be now support, that would be higher, high low if they go to here. Now let's do buy limit,
Order submitted.
just in case they decide. Then we would move the stop over here. I have a bigger profit target.
Order filled.
Okay. Then we'll stop here, because this is what they may now do this here. Couple more ticks. They like to go on this line and bounce like here, but sometimes they'll go here. That's why we have bigger stop. And we go, let's before there.
Order submitted.
Now let's see what's going to develop. We have like, that would be profit target of this here is 7 points. Take this out, and this would be $14.75, so more than a double. So 2 to 1, a little bit more. So let's see what they're gonna do. Are we gonna get lucky here or not? Good so far. We have green. We're still staying in a zone. Oh, that's a nice move. We're still staying in a zone. That nicely bouncing from upper line, which is great, making low, high low. Now we just need to break through this one here. They may pull back, and then this would be new high that needs to be broken through, or this one here. We'll see what they're gonna do. They may just pull back and then turn around and break, or they may just break through here. Depends on the day. Okay, they're pulling back. Alright, now this high needs to be broken. If they break this low, I wouldn't like it. Then I would just look for market if we're going positive, and we will get out with any profit. But if they turn and break this high, that'll be a good sign for uptrend, long. Because so far we're having lower highs, but we're having higher lows. That's why I would like them to see here, turn around and go long. Still okay. Don't like it. If the market go positive, oops, we like that now. Let's see, this was my hoping. That's no good. Hoping is no good. Should have come out right there. But if they turn, they can break this up. Okay, now they are same. I'll hope this time. No good. They're trying to break up. I'm coming out. I don't care. I don't like what's happening. Now we're in just in the channel. Channel is a little bit pointing down, which would be a good sign too, and then go up. But this would be 10 to 3. So better not to be in the trade that you don't want to be. Better just pull out some profit and go. There you go. They're breaking, they're going higher. You can always jump in the trade if you want to. If I'm calculating correctly, we are 44 ticks in profit. If we stay on this, as it's going today, this would be 8 days in a row in a profit. Which makes new record. But that's what I'm saying, you know, it started going, and this is again comparing to this move, it's still now it's a lower high, so we don't know. It was better to get out with profit and wait for new signal. There's a huge support over here, as you can see. I would like them to come out with one bar down, but we are too much sideways, we are in the black zone. We're gonna avoid this one. No trade. As you can see, that's what I'm saying. We don't know. Too much sideways. Wow. So we made like 4 or 5, I think 4 good calls lately, which helps. That's why patience. That's why I'm having red, black and green zones. Yeah, we are plus 44. We did 13 trades so far this morning, 10 for us, 3 for Nasdaq, and we have plus 44 ticks. We are 1 hour and 4 minutes in the trading, morning trading session. All right, this will be bottom again comparing to this move. Like this, when they're about 95%, they come, they touch it, and they turn around and go. But you see here lower high comparing to this here, but we are higher low comparing to same move, but nothing but sideways. So always look left to trade right. And add some patience. There we go. we are having now big resistance over here. We are not going short, we are not going long. They broke that one, but look at what's happened to this low. And we are still in uptrend. But as you can see, as soon as our pullback band made into black area here, nothing but sideways. This may just be for a long trend or nice just pullback on a whole trend this morning. So we'll see. But definitely they're making lower highs, and you can see that. So for us to go long, they need to make this, they need to break. Now it's this high. So better just leave it alone, and you can see in the black area. Neither it's strong trend, neither it's a strong or long trend or strong short trend. Nothing is happening. This is what we are looking for, be in a green zone and go up. There's a magenta zone acting as a resistance. So it touched the upper zone and now pulling back. Now this could act as a resistance too, or support, which they're reacting to here. They may just go back and forth, back and forth. So if you think they're going to be doing that, like they did here, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, but never touch the bottom again. So, but you could break the, at least break even here. So you don't know for how long they're gonna go that. There we go, we broke this high. Now we will have to wait for pullback over here to the 159 with a yellow bottom yellow line over here, bottom of the pullback zone. That'll be a nice pullback there, support, make a support turn around and go. Wow, that was a huge jump. It was somewhere here. Actually it was here, but somewhere there to here. That was 3.5 points. That was 14 tick jump. And you can see there was a resistance here because of the upper line of this zone where was resistance. They were again playing, they jumped through 14 ticks from the top of this. By the way, red and green zones, that's a setting 120/40. Wow, that was bigger. I was going to buy it, but we'll still be okay. 13 ticks over here will be against us and coming back. You see what's happening? Now they are 90% down comparing to this move. So, but we are still in the black zone, where it's a sideways. So patience. I was really expecting this to have a support, but it was a too huge of a move. Good thing I was late. Sometimes it's being lucky good. Though we will have a stop here, we will be now still in profit, which I will get out. So look at now they're comparing this to this move over here. That's what they're playing now that look left to trade right. Okay, one of these days we'll make one and done. There's gonna be only a few minutes of trading. But for now we are hitting hour, 2 hours. Yesterday was 3.5 hours. That's because yesterday we changed the settings of the bars and we were trading taking different trades, but it shows you with this system that you can still come out with profit most of the time. Nothing is guaranteed. There you go. What used to be support became resistance. So this is just maybe on the way down. But there is a big support at 47. And there is a resistance here. So let's mark it. If I hit the right line. Oh, I did it first time. Usually I miss them. Okay, there we have here. So is this one important between, but we will for now keep these two. So is this one. But we'll just keep these two for now. Let me see where they are. 54. 47.75, looks like 48. There's the first couple of bars above. There was a move down. First couple of bars above and then down. Those signals are pretty strong. But first one, they're the strongest. Most of the time again they work. Here we go again up. They want to go up, not yet. We need one more bar to close up. Still down, this is acting as resistance. But though now it's a blue one, that's 159 linear regression acting as a support right here. We're mostly still in a dark zone, you see. Since very much say just 9-10 and 35 minutes or so, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Even if we don't make any more trades, we're still good. We made 13 trades plus 44. So a lot of times we're gonna be right, but so far so good. 8 days in a row we are positive. If we stop now, I know that would be 8 days. Well, let's see if we can get one more trade. Let's give it 10 more minutes. Higher lows again. Looks like markets are confused. We are up, that means we should go in here long, but we won't, just because of this indecision. This will be first time market goes up, first pullback. This is here, should be good, the resistance, but we're not gonna, okay, we would be in the trade if we took, but we are not taking. We are not taking, okay. Just based on the price action, what's doing, that's why I didn't like to take it. Most likely we should be okay. This was I was expecting, still went a couple of bars down. See what's doing. Now this is resistance. And also 159 is under 539. Stuff would be here. If we went in that one, I would move it over here, not 15, based on the price action and moves, how much it moves. But then I would expect profit here. So we have at least 1-to-1. So we would be okay so far if we went in here. Based on this move, I would come out here and make some profit. No mercy. Just take the money. Ka-ching, ka-ching. By the way, I'm gonna have a new intro. Music just for now. So I'm looking for some logo, which I know what I wanted. I just need to find somebody to do it. No trades. We're still in neutral zone. So if you would go into the trade, like I said, just take a few ticks profit, acting few ticks profit. If you would go here and you're looking this for to be support, your stop is here. But I would only either wait with that stop or just take a few ticks profit and get out. Or I would just wait, and if you just want to make one trade, then just wait 1 to 1. But if they make all the way here and break this high, that would make it here, so it could be 2 to 1. But that's a if. We don't know right now, just so sideways. But look at what they're doing lately. Lower high, top, double top here, lower high, they're trying to break, but then we are having from here, start having lower high, higher low, but then they broke here, they broke here, now they're making again higher low, and they just broke this one lower high, so total confusion here. They may just do as a here, go down and just zoom up, go down and just zoom up. So we'll see. I mean, markets are lately strong, so should be going up, but there's gonna come pull back somewhere, and they're pretty close to these two support zones. We just broke this high, so we already broke two highs, this one, and we are having 3 high lows. And look at what acted as a support, 159. It was resistance over here in this area, then acted as support, then support again, and then is again support. There you go. That's what I was saying about here. Stop here, profit at least here, but if they break this high, they're gonna go all the way up there. So we were buying here. I was talking, I didn't want to get in the trade, but I said if we would buy, it would be right here. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 ticks against us before we went into the profit. Went against us again, but now it's 40 ticks in profit. Because this is 40 ticks between the red and green. It's hour and 25 minutes in a trade session, morning trade session. We did 13 trades, 10 for us, 3 for Nasdaq. We are plus 44 ticks in profit. we're having now big support 72, 71, 72, 73, that zone. So there's a big support. Okay, we'll go long over here if it touches us, just because it's a first one. I don't like this long,
Order filled.
but because of that. Okay, let's see.
Order filled.
All right. That's a 15 ticks. Means we got to move a little bit here, 2. And we'll see what happens. We're in where we wanted. If I had patience, and I thought it would be here, I would buy here, but doesn't matter now. Just because markets did this, if it goes into positive, I'll get out.
Order submitted.
Okay. We are in profit again. We got 2 ticks. Alright. Now market, why I did that, it's because we went with a white line down. So all I wanted now, get some profit. And we got 2 ticks. That's 11 to 3 in our favor, plus 46. That's why we have a lot of trades when we go with the smaller settings on the bars. The market is still going up. I didn't know, I was expecting over here bounce, so that's all I wanted, tick or 2. We got lucky with 2 ticks. Again, no mercy. That's why you got your license. As well, markets could have turned around and go back down here, but they're still making higher lows. Okay, right here it was same as this one, and they're making higher lows now. They made higher high over here, came back strong, made a higher low. Now they're going up, so we'll see how far. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and adults of all ages. By the way, this is not for kids. If you are under 18, you need to stop watching this video and go get your parents, guardian, or supervisor. This is only for adults. Okay, so if I calculate everything right, we did 14 trades plus 46 ticks. Well, here you see 207. I did first trade on MNQ. For some reason it was on the chart. We need 5 ticks profit, that's why it's 250. 5 ticks profit. So you have 41 plus 5, it's 46, yeah. So everything is matching. That's per contract for hour and a half for work. It's not bad, we did larger trades, but that's because of the smaller settings. And we were not that aggressive. We could be aggressive and just go on the green bars and pull out more, few extra ticks. But we were not that aggressive. Remember, we made 4 or 5 good calls on these moves and so on, and result is here. If we went on, let's take a look. On a bigger one, let's take a look here what happened. Let's just go from here. We are in the black zone, this natural zone. First time up. Even if we made, usually that would be fine. But say we made first trade here, this would be fine. Profit, this would be fine. Like I said, this would be like the fourth one, wouldn't take it. Say we didn't take it just because of what the market is doing, didn't like it. Didn't take this one, we are up. So we did over here 2, this would be against us, 2 to 1. We would be good here. So we will make only 4 or 5 trades today, many less trades. This would be a good one, but that's why I said that's what we are looking for. A trade like this, we just crossed the below 159, 539. We get just above and then go down. But since then, market is just choppy. Okay, they're going to upper part. We don't want to risk. And I have to go. Many times I would do this and then they'll just turn against me, like they know. I just try to pick up a few ticks and they'll just turn around and go all the way down. This would be like a top. So that's why I like to wait for them. But let's see if they're gonna hit that one. Right there. An extra tick or 2. Okay, recap. 11 to 3 for us. 11 positive trades and 3 for Nasdaq. That's makes it 14 trades today. Plus 40 ticks, plus 46 ticks. This is 8 days in a row. Be positive. System is proving itself day by day. We'll see you tomorrow